So if you try to use ROP with a group, right? So here we have a Facebook group, and if we try to share to it, you will receive this message saying that you cannot post to a group. The reason for this is that you haven't actually added the Revive Social app to the group that allows it to share posts from your website into the group. So how we do this is, first we go to the group. So this is the landing page of the group, right? And if we look on the left here, we scroll down, and this is the new interface of Facebook, right? So we scroll down and we go to settings, and after clicking on settings, we scroll all the way down again, and then here in advanced settings you see apps. So you click on the edit for apps, and it shows group apps. Say these apps are active in your group. As you can see, we have none, so we click add apps. Now here you can add apps to your group, and these apps give those developers access to the group. So here we're going to search for Revive Social, and you can see the Revive Social app comes up. We click on it and we add it to the group. So you're going to see that it shows what's going to happen. See posts and comments in the group, but not who wrote them. And it says this, but what we really do, we just give you access to posting into your group that you admin. So I'm going to click add, and it's been added to the group. So let's go back to home, and if we click on here the three dots and we click group apps, we can see that Revive Social has access to the group. Now what we need to do is go back to ROP. Let's go and create a new post, and we go on, we're gonna just name it something, my test group post, awesome, and let's just share this immediately to the group. So as you can see, it's called Rupert's second group, and this is it. It has no posts right now. As you can see, it's empty. As you can see, it's empty. It just says that we added the third party app recently. So what we're going to do now is just click publish, and this is going to share to our Facebook group. So click publish, and let's go back to Revival post here. And if we check the logs, now you can see it says successfully shared my test group post to Facebook group, Rupert's second group. This is because we added the app to the group, which gave Revive Social access to actually post to the group. So here you can actually see the post happened, my test group post, and you can see it's posted by Revive Social. So thank you, and if you have any questions, please send us a message.